Here's a 2005 Subaru Impreza Sedan. Subaru does a lot of things right with the Impreza. Great safety features, impressive performance, but standard all-wheel drive? Now they're just showing off. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: performance sound system, power windows, air conditioning, power mirrors, leather steering wheel, manual transmission, aluminum wheels, sport suspension, and intercooled turbo H4 engine. Woman Motorist reports the seats are very comfortable and offer a wide range of adjustment for the driver. Stay safe, drive a Subaru. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Volkswagen of Inver Grove, creating customers for life. We are conveniently located at 1325 50th Street East in Inver-Grove-Heights, Minnesota, near Highway 494 and Robert Street, across from Best Buy.